Big impact despite a small stand. Is that even possible? Even with a small space, you can make a strong impression at Interzoo 26 with a clear message and creative ideas. After all, a large stand alone does not guarantee success to trade fairs. The decisive factor is how you design your space and what story you tell with it. There are three main important design principles to consider when preparing your trade fair stand. Firstly, you cannot not design. Good design supports a clear message and ensures that your exhibits generate attention. Secondly, be sure to consider the different communication levels of your stand, long distance effects, contact initiation, and the area for discussion and product presentations. Third, less is often more. Visitors should recognize what it's all about at first glance. Avoid overloading with products and set specific eye-catching highlights. Also consider which design elements best convey your message. Layout, materials, graphics, floor, ceiling, lighting, and of course, an eye-catcher that arouses interest. But the most important thing about any trade fair stand is the people. It's your team that brings the stand to life. Friendliness, openness, and enthusiasm. This is what stays in people's minds. No matter how big your stand is, with heart, concept, and personality, you can really score big at Interzoo 2026.